Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Nokia X10. And to do this, first let's open up our Google Play Store. Right here we want to find Notify Body. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch the app, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. Last is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable it, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. But if you have any problems with this app, you can go back and disable it. Now let's move on. Click on OK. Right here we can enable any apps for the custom LED lamp notifications. So let's get these 2. Next is a system, and right here you can see all system bound apps. In active you can see all apps that you've activated. And here's the settings, so you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or colors, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version. But now let's just click on a test and you can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.